Today we're going to learn how to jump to a subroutine in the Mitsubishi GX Developer software using a Q-Series PLC. We have one rung already in our program that X0 is going to turn on Y10. To program a jump to a subroutine, we're going to put an instruction in, and we're going to call it X1. And we're going to use our brackets to do a call, C-A-L-L, and then it's going to be what are we going to call, and we're going to call a position P0. So that will be our call, our subroutine. And then we're going to add some programming just to see how this works. We're going to do Y11. And then to do a call, you have to type in an FEND. So this is an end to the normal program. So the normal program will come to this end and then return to the top. Unless the call statement is true, then it will jump down to the call statement. Again, you put your cursor on the left side of your power bars and put in your pointer controller. So whenever this line is not true, then program will end here and start over. When this line is true, then it will come down below the end, and then it will do our subroutine program. And we are going to type in X3 as part of our subroutine, and we're going to turn on Y12. Then to do the subroutine, since you do not have an end, you have to have a return. So to do the return, you put in a bracket, and it's RET in the Mitsubishi GX Developer software. So when this rung is true, it's going to do our call statement. It's going to call our subroutine, and then it's going to return and finish its scan. Whenever this is not true, it'll return here and finish its scan, and the program will not scan this section unless this line is true. So we're going to convert it online, and then we'll check our operations. So if X0 is true, then Y2 will control Y1. And if this is not true, X3 does not control Y12. Because the scan is not going past the end. The scan comes down to the end and then it returns to the top. If X1 is true, then X3 will operate and control Y12. It only allows this to be true, it only allows this to operate whenever the call to subroutine line is true. And that is how you program a subroutine in the Mitsubishi GX Developer software using the Q-Series PLC.